In this video, I will show you how to withdraw money from Binance to PayPal in 2023. So let's jump straight into it. As you can see, I'm currently here on Binance and I'm currently logged in. Now at the moment, there's not a direct way to transfer money from Binance to PayPal. So what we're going to do, we're actually going to use a third-party website, which is called bestchange.com. And that's going to look something like this. So to do this, what you're going to want to do first is come back to Binance, and you want to come up to the top first of all to your wallet and click onto the fiat and spot. And what you're going to want to do is just scroll down and choose your desired cryptocurrency. So for example, if I wanted to go for USDT Tether, then what I'm going to do is come back to Best Change, and where it says give up here in the top left hand corner, what I'm going to do is go ahead and type that into here. So you can see we've got some different options available that's come up. So we're going to go ahead and select this one, Tether TRC20. And then in the get box up here, what you want to do is just go ahead and type PayPal. So you can see you've got the choice between PayPal in a number of different currencies, like for example, US dollars, euros, and Great British pounds. For this example, I'm just going to go for US dollars. So what it's going to do is going to bring up a list of exchanges, and if you look at each exchange, it's going to tell you the minimum that they can convert. So for this one, for example, you'd have to be converting at least 100. And also for each one, because we're using like a middleman exchange, they're going to take a bit of a commission. So it's not going to be too much, but of course you want to look through and see which one is best for you. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one, High Exchange. So what you would do next is go ahead and give that a click. And what you would then do is put the amount of USDT that you want to send into here. So in this example, I'm just going to go ahead and put 100 as that is the minimum. And it's going to calculate the amount. So you can see that if we send 100 USDT, they're going to send us 101 PayPal US dollars. So if you're happy with the rates that's been given, what you can do is go down and click the exchange button like so. And what it's going to ask you to do is just send some information. So your PayPal account, which is here, and your email address down here. So once that's done, you can enter a phone number as well, but once you've done that, just go ahead and click the blue exchange button. And what it's going to do is come up with a review of the order. So again, this is just going to be a quick summary, and if you're happy to go ahead, just go ahead and click the exchange button. Might actually need to do a quick verification, so we're just going to go ahead and do this quickly now. And then click exchange down here. So once it's done, you can see for this particular exchange, it's showing as unpaid, because what we now need to do is send them the USDT, and they're going to go ahead and obviously buy that from us in PayPal money. What we're going to want to do next is look for the wallet address. So on every exchange, they're going to have a wallet address that you're going to need to send that through to. You can see the one is down here. So it says High Exchange Tether Wallet. And what you're going to want to do is copy this and then come back to your Binance. Next, what you want to do is come up to your wallet, click onto fiat and spot, and then have a look for the cryptocurrency that you're choosing to send through. So for our case, it was USDT. So what I'm going to do is just scroll down the list and we can see USDT here. So what we're going to do is just come across and click onto withdraw. And then what we want to do in the address is just go ahead and paste that wallet address into here. So next we want to select the withdrawal network. So we're just going to click onto that and choose what network we want to withdraw with. So I'm just going to go ahead and use TRX Tron for this one. And then finally, you just want to enter the amount, which in this example was 100. So once that's done, all you're going to want to do is click onto the withdrawal button, which will highlight down here as long as you've got the funds available. And what that's going to do is send that through. Now you can see for this particular exchange, you're actually asking for a screenshot of the transaction. So once you've done this, of course, you would take a screenshot and send that through. Not every exchange does this, but of course it does depend on which exchange you choose to go with. But once you've done that and you sent that through, what will happen is they'll confirm that and they will send you the amount that they've quoted in PayPal money. So I hope this quick tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I'd really appreciate it if you were to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a moment to thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.